The Todd Show with Radio 4, brought to you by Danube in association with Sanford and Swiss Arabia.
Hello and welcome to The Todd Show. I'm your host, Shruti.
Hello and welcome to The Todd Show, yani ki talk of the town.
We really thank you for all your appreciation for The Todd Show.
A really big thank you.
वैसे आज का शो भी होने वाला है full on action packed.
इसीलिए श्रुति जो है ये काले कलर का बेल्ट पहन के, ये कराटे वाला.
Yes.
अपना हाथ नीचे. You know what श्रुति, आज के एपिसोड से मैंने दो चीजें सीखी हैं.
तुमने कुछ सीखा है आज के एपिसोड से. वो क्या?
पहली चीज कि there is something that is called as a World Milk Day.
Okay, और दूसरी?
दूसरी जब हम शो में आगे बढ़ेंगे तब बताऊंगा.
Alright, तो फिलहाल शो को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Let's start with World Milk Day.
जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं विश्व दूध दिवस.
इसे स्पॉन्सर किया रेनबो मिल्क ने और साथ ही इसे सेलिब्रेट किया गया मॉडर्न सिटी सेंटर में.
तो बता श्रुति, ये रेनबो मिल्क का नाम रेनबो कैसे पड़ा?
हाँ, रेनबो के जो ओनर्स हैं वो आसाम में रहते थे.
Okay.
और आसाम में होती थी बहुत सारी बारिश.
वो तो अब भी होती है.
हाँ, और जो बारिश होती है तो वहाँ रेनबो तो होता ही है.
हाँ, you have a point there.
ऐसी कोई सड़ी हुई सी स्टोरी ना तुम्हारी?
No, I have a different version to the story, but right now we'll go ahead with yours.
Okay.
Where we are celebrating with children the World Milk Day. The whole idea is we want kids to eat healthy and drink milk. Milk is extremely important for their health, and we'd like every parent to make sure they are putting a can of milk or a glass of milk for their kids, at least one every day. So so this year we're celebrating big, host of activities. You will enjoy a lot today.
वैसे बताओ तुम्हारी स्टोरी क्या थी?
रेनबो वाली?
हाँ, कि रेनबो ब्रांड का नाम रेनबो कैसे पड़ा?
Actually, I don't know, but मुझे एक चीज पता है. That comes from the largest milk cooperative, which has 17,000 dairy farmers as members.
Our actually farms are in Holland, where we do take care of everything within the process from the grass to the glass. And this is the difference, because we actually take care about the whole process and we make sure that we give our consumers the best milk we can ever give.
You know what, श्रुति? अगर मैं एक आर्जन नहीं होता तो क्या होता?
शेफ?
How do you know?
आपको पता है ये क्यों बोल रहा है ऐसा? Because हमारा अगला इवेंट इज अबाउट संजीव कपूर.
We are finally welcoming Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor, this exceptional level of celebrity chef, with us to launch this signature by Sanjeev Kapoor. It's a real pleasure to have him with us on board, to support us and to guide us in a new dimension of culinary Indian art, which will be definitely amazing for the population which have the chance to visit us very soon, hopefully.
यार ये सही है. संजीव कपूर का ना लक मानना पड़ेगा. I really like it. One hit TV show and became the Sanjeev Kapoor. And similarly, there'll be one hit TV show and there'll be one
Neil. Wake up, Habibi. Sanjeev Kapoor के time में there was only one cooking show and probably only one TV channel.
Yeah, but similarly, there is only one Todd Show.
You know what? I sometimes really like your positivity, but only sometimes.
रॉयल हरा भरा पैन फ्राइड, जिसको हम पालक, मटर और थोड़े बहुत और हर्ब्स के साथ बनाते हैं, और काफ़ी डेलिकेट है ये, बड़ा स्वादिष्ट है कबाब, और उसको एक अलग अंदाज दिया है. ऊपर से एवोकाडो चटनी बनाई है और उसके साथ सर्व कर रहे हैं आज की शाम.
It's basically a traditional, very authentic restaurant, and the food is, I would say, it's a journey. You have to experience this journey, and Sanjeev has put in a lot of creation. It is yet, I would say, a traditional restaurant.
What we have tried to create here is something which we always have believed in back in India, but with a shape and a form and something which people can relate to today and would be happy consuming today. Because many people think that Indian food is very rich, very heavy, very spicy, but this Indian food at Signature is going to be refreshing, going to be nice and fresh, and it's something that people would love to come back to.
The strategy of this restaurant is to give the guest the experience of the true Indian cuisine, but he feels the endeavor to dine with us at a next level of the food. So we call it a progressive Indian cuisine.
अच्छा नील बताओ what's next on the show?
I know it. आज मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के आया हूँ.
वो तो वैसे दिख भी रहा है तो जल्दी से बताओ ना what's next on the show?
It's break time.
Yes it is. तो चलिए हम लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break and we'll be back right after the break.
आप कहीं मत जाइएगा. Stay with us.